Mr. Broken Wing Duck and his entourage. He can't fight because his wing is fucked up. Look, and there's some of the, okay, well, the geese went for that healthy duck food pile. This is why I like to leave 2 healthy duck feed piles. Oh, goodness. You know it's cold because my hands feel like they might fall off. My fingers, not my hand, my whole hand. My fingers feel like it might fall off. Into the pond they go. I think they already had their fill. Not me doing this wrong. Excuse me, snot rockets. I didn't come here yesterday because I wasn't feeling too the best. I'm sure I would have passed out on the floor. And I don't want to do that to myself. There's, did they finish the healthy duck food? Look at all these feathers. Did they finish this pile? No. No, they did not. I'm glad they're eating. Share, be nice, Mr. Geese. You too. There's too many geese out here, perhaps. There's too many geese out here. And just because they look the same doesn't mean the geese get along, because they do try to assassinate each other if they push boundaries. Let me put my hoodie on. Hold on. Let me turn this and look at some of this work. Come on, come on, come on. Here we are.